Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I've got a quick unboxing. A friend of mine recently came to visit me. Oh, it's my phone. So a friend of mine recently came to visit me and who I don't see very often. And we hadn't seen each other since before my birthday in November. And they basically wanted to give me a belated birthday / Christmas present. Which of course I'm gonna say, oh yes, I will have that right now, thank you very much. But yeah, so they basically came to see me, very brief visit, and said that they got me something and they wanted to give it to me because they knew that this was something that I was very interested in. And lo and behold, I have so this is the Instax Mini 8 Instant Camera. Now I know that the Mini 7 has come out, so this is a slightly older model, but apparently there's not very much difference between the old model and the new model, so I really didn't mind. This is just the cutest thing in the world. So here we are. So this is what it looks like. It's just like one of these instant Polaroid cameras. Let me just see if I can find some batteries and put some batteries in it. Here we go. So I've got some batteries. I'm just going to open it up, and it's really easy to open up the back. And that one goes in that way. That one goes in that way. Okay, so to power up the camera, you just open up the shutter here, okay? And this one has got a little viewfinder out the back, and basically you need to wait until the light goes off. This one has got some pictures available inside it. So we're gonna try and snap a shot. But first of all, I'm going to show you some of the really cool accessories which I have managed to find online since I received this. So the first accessory that I found was like 99p. What a bargain. So this is a selfie lens. So basically you pop this on the front of the camera and it's got a little mirror on it so you can actually see what you're taking a picture of. So if you want to take a picture of yourself, it allows you to do that. So I'm probably going to try that today. I also found on eBay these amazing little leatherette cases which basically allow you to put your phone, your camera inside them. So let's just try that now. And they're really soft and squidgy. Look at that. That just makes it look so snazzy. It also comes with like a little strap so you can like carry this as like a little handbag. It's really ditzy. Just gonna see if I can put the strap on. Why do I always say things that sound really rude on camera? There we go. So you can carry your little Instax camera just like a mini little handbag, and it's got some a little pocket at the back. So if you've got any extra lenses or the little selfie lens like this one here, you can literally. It's a little bit dusty. You can literally just pop that in the back to carry round with you. It's also got like a little extra safety handle for when you take pictures. The one thing that I really like about this camera is how instant it is. So I do a lot of like scrapbooking, and I like to like write proper letters, and I just thought that this would be amazing to like send little pictures and snapshots of my cat to like people, or do like little personalised like business cards with, or yeah, just that sort of thing. Really, right, kind of like make it really personable. Make things personal for people. And I just thought it was really, really cute. The only downside to this camera is that you basically have to buy the film to put inside it. So you're really looking at between £10 and £14 for 20 pictures. So it's definitely not an everyday camera unless you're made of money. But it's super cute. So I'm just going to try taking a picture using the selfie lens that's on here. And out the top comes your picture. So we're just going to give this 1 or 2 minutes to develop and see what we have. Now obviously you don't get a double take and you can't check to see how good the picture is that's come out. So you do find that you might get a couple of duds or some very, very funny pictures of your friends if you're doing like little selfie shots and stuff like that. Let's just see if this... Okay, so that is the picture pretty much all developed. It's a little bit faded, I'm not quite sure why. It might be that it's got old film in it. I'm just going to take off the snap-on lens and just do another one just to compare. Okay, and this one has developed a little bit better now, so you can kind of see what that looks like. They are super, super cute and super weird because you don't really know what necessarily the picture's going to look like until you've actually printed it. I think in this one I'm going to start looking at the sky. It's very strange. But these are brilliant if you want to do something quite arty and fun. So if you wanted to make like a little collection of pictures to send to somebody as like in a bigger frame, or as I said, if you want to do like a little kind of written diary and you wanted to keep a little picture to remind yourself of that day, they're quite fun to use as well, especially if they've got that sort of very retro 19 sort of 80s 70s feel to them because of the type of film that you use to make the picture. But yeah, I just love it. Let's be honest, they're great. They're super fun. They're so good. The quality of the picture is so good. Look at that. So that's the one that I used using the selfie camera, the selfie lens. And then this one here is still developing, so we'll leave that for a bit. But yeah, if you wanted to buy one of these little cameras new, they're normally about £60, and you can pick them up in places like John Lewis, but you can pick them up a little bit cheaper than that on eBay and things like that. The case as well, I will link below where I found that, and it comes in around about £12. No, £7. The case was £7. It was a bargain. And the extra lenses and things like that that you can get are also really, really cheap as well. So this is just a fun kind of little Christmas idea as a gift for somebody who's into photography, or somebody who does a little bit of crafting and wants something that they can take like little pictures with, and they can print them off there and then. So guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye.